Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in CSS Flexbox. Use the flex direction property to make a column. So by default, flex direction is for set to row. So what would happen if we set it to column? It should flow in the direction of a column, means it should align itself vertically. So let's read it about it. The last two challenges use the flex direction property set to row. This property can also create a column by vertically stacking the children of the flex container. So it will this property can also create a column by vertically stacking children of flex container. So when we set display means display rule to flex value, then the element is changed into flex container and all its children can be arranged to horizontally or vertically by using flex direction, row or column respectively. Task: add the CSS property flex direction to the box container ID element and give it a value of column. So we have to use flex direction col column, and the boxes arrange itself in column in vertical stack instead of going horizontal. The test case: the box container element should have a flex direction property set to column. Box container property means element has a property that is set to flex direction column. So run the tests and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.